up?
Roger, that's a good copy. The OP to the east took hand grenades from the AAF break. You're going to be cleared hot on any moving targets outside of the two friendly locations. You will meet Chosen 6 Romeo up on this net. How copy, over?
Any hedgerow element, Chosen 6. Be advised, we're in a bad situation that we can't really get spots on rounds.
All right, Jimmy. Hey, we're on the left-hand side of the valley, approaching 1 knot.
Yeah, I got smokes just north of your OP. Is that correct?
10 meters east of HC smoke, east of the bazaar, over.
Okay, 10 meters. This is a danger close shot, 30 millimeter. I need your ground control. 10 meters. So that's
got to be kidding me.
That is on the southern or the northern terrace. See that huge rock?
Huge rock. Yeah.
Yeah, just to the left of that from our position in the tree line. If you go right, that's where the friendlies are, okay? So you need to go just slightly left of that.
Altitude low. Altitude low.
Right here.
Where?
I'm trying to make sure he's not in the OP. There's a guy just on the other side of these trees.
Dust off 3-5, this is Chosen 6. Hey, Roger, be advised, we got guys suppressing and moving to reinforce our OP. We still have outgoing fire at this time. Stand by.
You got eyes on the dust up bird now? Yeah, I got him. I got him inside, low down in the valley on the left turn to link up with him.
Chosen 6, dust off 3-5. We believe we're over your patrol base. We do not see smoke or a place to land, sir, somewhere. Have you already popped smoke?
Negative, we have not popped smoke at this time. Best HLZ would be to the south.
Dust off 3-5, we're taking fire. We just got hit in the lower belly just to the north side of the aircraft. Side of the LZ. Systems are fine.
Altitude low.
Hey, stand by, we have a dismount element going out to pop smoke, over.